So one of our employees is wanting to turn part of her old garden into a grass bed. She asked for some recommendations. So the first thing, of course, we talked about was making sure there's enough calcium in the soil. Planning to use some high calcium limestone. Comes in 50-pound bags, so we can buy it locally. We'll get that in the soil. Hopefully they can work that in, and then when they get the new bed break down, they can put the grass seed on top of that, and then use a foliar application of growers, 1 part of growers to 100 parts of water, and spray that down. Once the grass starts growing, they can foliar feed it about once a week until the grass gets going. There's a formula you can use. Farmers normally do it number of gallons of growers per acre, but for small applications like this, it's just easier to use a ratio of 100 to 1. So. You can't use too much. Are you thinking of doing any other gardening or anything around here? I would just use the whole bag.
Okay.
You can't, like I said, you can't use too much. Getting the calcium is really important.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
That would be perfect. This is our Growers 10-20-10 mineral solutions, and we're going to use the equivalent of 5 gallons per acre. And the math on that is 1 part of growers to 100 parts of water. And we're going to use this 2-gallon sprayer and spray it right on the seed. And then when the seed comes up, they'll just do that about once every week until the seed gets planted and starts to come up nicely. So, and the addition of the calcium should really make all the other nutrients in the soil available. That's our plan for getting a nice grass going.